We have considerable cooperation and capacity building. Uh, we we also sought Tajik help for cotton in India because Tajikistan has considerable expertise in growing cotton, and this is something that we can use. We have very good cooperation in the multilateral fora in the United Nations and for the expansion of United Nations Security Council. Thereafter, uh, Honorable Vice President visited the Majlisi Namayandagon, which is the lower house of the Majlis or the Parliament of Tajikistan. He was welcomed by Chairman Zukharov and his colleagues who are from the parliamentary friendship groups and heads of various committees. Uh, it's interesting that Chairman Zukharov talked about civilizational links based on the Avesta, the Rig Veda, and ties go back to that era. He talked about Rumi, Rudaki, Dehlavi, and in modern time by relationship between Tursunzade and Rabindranath Tagore and obviously Bedil. Uh, he talked about, he said that Tajikistan and he himself were very happy with India's growing stature as an emerging economy and that Indian Parliament was a great beacon of cooperation for the Tajik Parliament and it wished to increase cooperation and they were exchanging a lot of delegations to India. Vice President did mention that it is true that we belong to a common cultural area and the visit to the Museum of Antiquity posited that we have strong, stable relations. We have elevated them to a strategic partnership during President Ramon's visit in September last year. We have regular exchanges between our parliaments. He emphasized that India is wedded to democracy and that Indian Parliament is ready to strengthen the bonds of friendship between our two countries. In the afternoon, Prime Minister Akhil Akhilo called on the Honorable Vice President and he praised India's emergence as a major economy. He emphasized that bilateral ties have been elevated to a new level. He talked about the renovation of Varzov 1, Pamir Energy. He thanked India for developmental assistance and then also talked about the IT center in the Tajik Technical University, from which nearly 600 trainees have already been trained. And when we renew it, the center, I think it will create greater capacity in Tajikistan in the information technology field.